If you're struggling with uneven sticker cuts when using your Cricut machine, here's a pro tip: calibrate before you create.
When I get a new machine and before I make any stickers, I do a print and cut calibration. I also do this if I'm experiencing any issues with the way my offset is cutting, meaning if the outer cut line is not even all the way around my sticker. And to do that, I'm going to go up under my name in the top right and click that drop down arrow and select Settings, Machines. Make sure my Cricut Joy Extra is selected and connected, and then under Machine Calibration, just click Calibrate. Then a wizard's going to pop up and it's going to walk you through how to do the print and cut calibration. First, you click on Print and Cut, select your printer, and then Print. After that, click on Continue, and it shows you how to place the printed calibration sheet onto your mat. Then click Continue. And how to prepare your machine. You need to have the fine point blade and the clamp. You need to insert your mat under the guides so it touches the rollers. And then you need to load the mat into the machine. Then go ahead and click Go in the software. Now what it's doing is scanning the calibration sheet and reading the registration mark, which is that outermost black box. When it finishes that, it's going to cut out that innermost small circle. Now I'm going to look at the cut line around that inner small box, and it looks like it's matching in the software the first green check box here. So I'm going to go ahead and say yes to proceed with the fine calibration and say continue. Now it's going to cut each one of the lines above the numbers across the top and the lines next to the letters on the right. Now looking at where the machine cut the individual number lines, it looks to me like 11 is probably the closest to being in the center. And then on this side, it looks like K is closest. In the software, I'm going to enter 11. And then I'm also going to enter in K. So that's 11 for the top line and then K for the right line. And then click Continue. And now it's going to cut the larger box so we can then determine if our calibration worked right. And then looking at this inner outer box here, it looks like my cut line is exactly how it should be and matches what's in the software. So I'll click yes and continue and then unload. Let's cut some stickers to see if the calibration worked. And look there, it did. I made 3 kiss cut stickers and 3 die cut stickers, and they look great. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for new videos. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.